Getting around QuickBooks Desktop is essential for efficiently managing your financial data and streamlining your accounting processes. To start, familiarize yourself with the main navigation menu located at the top of the screen, which includes options such as company, customers, vendors, employees, and banking. The company menu allows you to access company information, set up account preferences, and manage user permissions. The customers menu enables you to create and manage customer profiles, track sales, and send invoices. The vendors menu is used to manage vendor information, track purchases, and pay bills. The employees menu allows you to set up payroll, manage employee information, and track time. The banking menu is where you can manage your company's bank accounts, reconcile statements, and transfer funds. To navigate between these menus, simply click on the desired option and explore the various submenus and options. A key concept to understand is the use of centers, such as the Customer Center and Vendor Center, which provide a centralized location for managing related information and tasks. For example, the Customer Center allows you to view customer balances, create invoices, and track payments. To get the most out of QuickBooks Desktop, it is essential to set up your company file correctly, including setting up accounts, creating a chart of accounts, and establishing a billing and payment schedule. Best practices include regularly backing up your data, reconciling bank statements, and running financial reports to track your company's performance. By following these steps and understanding the main navigation menu, centers, and key concepts, you will be able to efficiently get around QuickBooks Desktop and effectively manage your financial data. Remember to always explore the various menus and options to discover more features and tools that can help streamline your accounting processes.